Secret investing advice for stock market success. If you listen to the news, you might be a little reluctant to begin investing in the stock market. However, the truth is, if you have the right information and guidance, you can do very well in the stock market. Use this solid advice to make sure that you get good returns on all your investments. Ensure that your children have a good sense of understanding regarding finances and investments, from a young age. The earlier that they are taught about financial responsibility and what can be achieved with hard work, the better off they will be in the long run, as they age. You can even involve them a little, as you buy and sell your investments, by explaining why you are making these choices. Beginner stock investors would be wise to make themselves prepared to lose a bit of money on some of their trades. Oftentimes, new traders panic at the first dollar they lose and quickly sell off their stocks before giving them a chance to recover on their own. Remember that stock prices are reflections of earnings. In the short-term immediate future, market behavior will fluctuate depending on news and rumor and the emotional responses to those, ranging from enthusiasm to panic. In the longer-term picture, however, company earnings over time wind up determining whether a stock price rises or falls. Try purchasing some reliable investment management software to use when you invest. They are completely affordable these days, as is a high-speed internet connection. You don't need to spend your time and efforts trying to come up with the best ways to invest when there are programs out there that can help. It is important to understand what a P/E ratio is when investing in common stocks. P/E ratio is short for price to earnings ratio and is a reflection of what the price of stock is compared to how much money it earns. Using the P/E ratio when valuing stocks helps to judge whether the stock is a bargain compared to the money it generates, or whether it is selling at a premium. It is not the only thing to consider, of course, but it's one basic indicator of a stock's relative worth. Investing in stocks doesn't have to be difficult, and you can get great returns from it if you learn the right information and have proper guidance. What you've watched here is a great place to start, so implement these ideas into your stock strategies. As long as you do not make hasty decisions and stick with your plan, you will be happy with the choices you make. Now that you have a clear idea about trading, are you ready to start for free? Yes, you can access for free the best online trading platform that will help you fly over the tiring process of trials and errors. Start today for 100% free and enjoy the following 14 videos tutorial will help you to get started for free. Whether you're an EA programming guru or an absolute beginner, a video tutorial will take you step by step through how to create your own indicators and strategies without writing a single line of code. Scroll down the page below to see the first video on how to create a simple but useful indicator. Scroll down to video tutorials and play the YouTube video. And there's much more inside. You will learn how to design, backtest and optimize a winning strategy. It doesn't matter whether you're using MetaTrader or TradeStation, the videos are made for both platforms. 1. How to create indicators. 2. How to create strategies. 3. Daily breakout strategy. 4. Daily breakout with pending orders. 5. Strategy optimization. 6. Money management demonstration. 7. Trendline breakout automated entry. Check out the first video in the description. Your fellow mega winning trader, Barthelemy MC.